How's it going, everyone? We are back. Took a small break after Thanksgiving and we're back at it, trying to put these motor mounts in. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a gap there. This side isn't giving me much trouble. Driver's side's been a nightmare to try and line up. We're almost there. It's practically right there. The other hole as well is pretty close. You pretty much gotta loosen up the trans and jack up the trans to get the motor to shift far enough forward for that bolt to go through, and by the looks of it, we're getting there. I'm hoping once we do get a bolt through there that we can manage to then get one back in here, which looks like it may be a bit of a nightmare, but we will see. I'm going to try and do the ball joints as well today, but we'll see if we can get around to those. After many long, vigorous hours of wrench tuning, finally got that last bolt on. Will you shut that shit the fuck up?
I got a phone call. I'm an important person.
God fucking damn it. I'm fucking trying over here.
Keep trying.
Bolt is on, snugging it down. Trans mount's getting done back there.
It's done.
Making progress, slowly but surely. Driver's side bolt, one bolt is in. We're trying to finagle this one to go in.
Bolt me.
Not working with us.
Bolt me.
But we're gonna
Bolt me.
shut the fuck up. Okay, this might be it. Might be it. Okay, she's tight now. Hold on. And we're back. Finally made some progress. Motor mounts in, bolted down. There was a ton of tension on that one bolt. It was fighting us, but we got it bolted down and tightened. So we've moved on to the idler arm. Motor mount dialed in. Now we're swapping that guy out for a good one. Carrying on.
Go for it. Ow! Busted my finger. Go for it.
Pretty all snug. Put the castle nut on.
I don't know what it is.
Washer, I mean cotter pin, and she's dandy. Here soon I'll be ordering tie rods, inners and outers. We'll be knocking those out, and then some shocks and what are those called? The motherfucking bushings, control arm bushings. Gonna be doing polyurethane ones, upper and lower, eventually.
Next year.
Most likely, yeah. Now we're gonna tighten this up and carry on.